room that we had. This is a balcony room. It accommodates up to 4 people. We've got one king size bed that can be turned into 2 twins. We have a bunk bed and then the bed on the sofa bed on the bottom that turns into a twin size bed. This is the front door. There is the front door. And then after you walk in, to your left are the closets. So you've got the first closet that like folds open. That's where the life vest and the safe all are. Extra comforter. The second closet pulls out and you can hang everything in there. And the third closet has more hangers. Alright, back to the front door. To the right, after you enter the front door, is the bathroom door. You open it, and you have your sink, toilet, towels, all of that good stuff, and your shower. Excuse our clothesline that we've going on. And this is probably the biggest shower that I have ever seen on a Carnival ship, and I guess it's because of the balcony room. You get more with the balcony, maybe. From the bathroom into the room itself, to the right, that down below is when the bunk bed is not down, it is a sofa bed, a sofa. So they turned it into the sofa bed that it is now. That's what I slept on. And then there's the bunk bed up here that my daughter slept on, which folds down from the top up there. So if you just need 3 people and you want to have the bed over here, a king size bed, and then the sofa bed, you can do that. Or you can have the king size bed and the bunk bed and leave this bottom part as a sofa. To the left when you walk in is the long countertop with a vanity, and there is a vanity mirror, which is really cute and came in handy when it was time for me to do what little makeup I do. There are drawers here as well. You've got your hair dryer that are standard size drawers. There's a refrigerator here, and then the vanity chair, which is so convenient. Oh, so cute. So you've got your vanity chair and your vanity. And then there's the television and the king size bed, which can be turned into a king size bed or 2 twin size beds. More storage in here. We've got some shelves underneath the television. There's your ladder to go up on the bunk bed. We are going to head out to my favorite part, the balcony. So to get out to the balcony, oh, also there are these like blackout curtains in the room. If you need complete darkness like me at nighttime, you can completely close off all of the windows and the doors so no light gets in when you're trying to sleep. So we'll head outside. We'll move this all the way over. Air conditioned, keep door closed. Ooh. So we open the door. Hey girl! And from one end, I don't know the dimensions of this balcony, but it comes with 2 chairs that recline back, 2 lounge chairs, a table. And then this is your beautiful balcony. From the opposite end, by the door over there, it's the door. And there's the water. We've got a Disney ship and a Norwegian right there. The Royal Caribbean ship is way back there, and on the opposite side is Carnival Liberty. We are on the Sunshine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. The only thing that was a downfall was that there's no full-length mirror, so we were only left with the vanity mirror that we were using in the bathroom mirror to get ready. So that kind of sucked. I remember on the last ship that we had one of the closet doors had a full-length mirror on it, but ours did not have that. So that was the only really downfall about this room. It's standard to what I expected. If you want more space, of course you have to pay for more space, but we didn't spend that much time in the room anyways. We just literally came in here to get ready and sleep. Spent a little bit of time on the balcony. I actually fell asleep on the balcony, which was really nice here, feeling the ocean breeze. But other than that, it's a pretty decent room, and hope to be on another cruise very soon. So we'll see you guys.